I am going to explain you some important points about pronoun and their types. Okay, so firstly we will understand that what is pronoun. Okay, so pronoun is a word which is used in a place of a noun. And in the previous classes we have understand this thing very well, that what is a noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. So whenever we want to replace a name of person, place, or thing, we could use a pronoun there, right? So I'll give you an example. Like here it is Mohit has balloon. So here Mohit has balloon. Mohit is the name of a person, which is also a noun. Okay, and if I want to replace Mohit, what I could use? I could use he. What is denoted by he? He is a pronoun which is used in a place of Mohit. Okay. Alright, so we have different types of pronouns also. First one is personal pronoun. Whenever we have a personal pronoun, when you will use personal pronoun to specify individual, whenever you want to specify some individual person, what you will use? You will use a personal pronoun. Okay. And what are some personal pronoun words? They are I. You could use I, you could use we, or you could use he, she, it, they. Like if I'm telling you an example of that, if I'm saying Geeta is beautiful, so if you want to replace Geeta from a pronoun, what you could say? You could say she is beautiful. Okay, she is pronoun here. Okay, so this is personal pronoun. Now coming to the second one, which is demonstrative pronoun. When you will use demonstrative pronouns, whenever you have to point out some specific item or some specific entities. Okay, like you are saying this book, that book, that laptop, give me that laptop. So you are specifying that you want that particular laptop or you want that particular book. Okay, so you are specifying some items, so you will use the demonstrative pronoun. So what are they? They could be this, it could be that, it could be these, or it could be those, right? These are the examples. These are some of the demonstrative pronouns. Okay, after that it comes to be interrogative pronoun. Okay, so in interrogative pronoun, always and always it is used in the form of questions. Okay, whenever you see that some question is arising, you have to understand this thing, that it is here you could use some interrogative pronoun. Okay, so in interrogative pronouns, you could use who, you could use what, or you could use which also. Okay. So if I state an example, who are you? Who are you? I'm asking you a question. Who are you? Okay. So who is the pronoun here, right? What are you doing? What is again a pronoun here? Which subject you are studying? Which again pronoun? So this is interrogative pronoun, where here you have to ask a question or someone is asking you a question. So you could use these type of words. Okay, after that comes relative pronoun. In relative pronouns, it shows a relation between two persons whom you are talking to. I am saying whom you are talking to. So I cannot talk alone, right? For talking, I need a second person as well. So I'll use whom where two persons are in relation. Who are you talking about? Right? So I could use who, I could use whom, or I could use whose for the relative pronoun, right? So here comes the indefinite pronoun. In indefinite pronoun, that you are specifying a particular entity, but you don't know the specific amount of that word. So it is unspecified. Okay. So for unspecified entities, what you could use someone, you could use anyone, you could use everyone. So you could say everyone here is so kind. Okay, you don't know that person's name or you don't know every person, so you are denoting all of them by one word. Everyone, anyone, anywhere, anywhere, sorry, anyone in the class have two pens. It means you are asking to the entire class, not a single person or two persons. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So see, all the types of pronouns we have discussed, and we have well understood that what is a pronoun. So now it's time for doing some questions. Okay, so our first question is saying the chair is brown. So if it's saying the chair is brown, we have to first identify that what is noun in it, what is the subject. Okay, so I'm saying the chair is brown. What is noun? Person, place, or animal or thing. So this is a thing. The chair is a thing, right? So if I want to replace chair, I have two options, either it or either he. So see, it is used for the non-living things. So I could use chair here. But can I use he here? No, definitely no. Why? Because he is used to denote a boy, a person, but it is used to denote a non-living thing. Okay? So it will be the correct one. Okay? So marking it. Yes, it is correct. Okay. Next one is saying my mother is a teacher. Here again, mother is a noun, and if I want to replace mother, I have two options, either she or either he. I have already explained you that he is used for a man, but she could be used for a woman. So she is a teacher. This could be the correct one. Next one is saying the bell. The bell is ringing. So here again, bell is ringing. Bell is again a non-living thing. So can we use they? No, they is used for a group of persons. So I use it only. So it is ringing. Okay. So the last two questions are for your homework. You could try them on yourself. And that's it for today's class. Thank you so much.